Assalamu alaikum. Hi. In this video, we will be talking about greetings in Uzbek language and leave takings. Let's see. So the first phrase is Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum is a very universal phrase, and this is the phrase I start my lesson with also. Assalamu alaikum is also universal because you can use it in any part of the day. You can say it in the morning, in lunchtime, in the evening. And Assalamu alaikum also very useful and helpful to use to any kind of audience, whether they're older, younger, if it's your colleagues or government officials. No matter who this is, you can always say Assalamu alaikum. And this will be ideal version to say hello. Hello, how are you? And sometimes you will hear Assalamu alaikum, and in response to that, Wa alaikum assalam. Actually, these are Arabic words which mean peace be upon you. Okay, let's move to shorter versions, which means hi, salam. Salam, which means hi. Salam, I can tell my friend salam. I can talk to a child by saying salam, salam. And here, this is not a greeting, but I've decided to talk about khayr, the word bye, right now because there's a reason. And you will know why. So khayr means bye, right? And the next word we will learn, which means salam, khayr, salam, khayr. The next word is khayrli tong, khayrli tong. And based on the picture, you understood already that it means good morning. Khayrli tong, good morning. Khayrli tong, if you notice the way it's written, I've highlighted khayr, which means bye in our daily life, but also it means good, it means kindness, it means something nice. Khayrli tong, which we translate as good morning. Khayrli tong. Khayrli kun. Kun means day. Tong means morning. Khayrli kun. And pay attention that khayr plus li is a word, is an adjective. Khayr li. So you can add li ending to make adjectives. Khayrli kun means good afternoon. Khayrli kech or khayrli aksham. Khayrli kech, khayrli aksham means good evening. Good evening. Khayrli kech, khayrli aksham. Okay, so far we have looked at all greetings, and they are Assalamu alaikum, salam, khayrli tong, khayrli kun, khayrli kech, or khayrli aksham. So, if it's formal greeting, we can say Assalamu alaikum. If it's informal, we can say salam. If it's in the morning, we can say khayrli tong. If it's during the day, we can say khayrli kun. If it's in the evening, we say khayrli kech or khayrli aksham. Okay, so what do you say in the morning? Khayrli tong. What do you say in the evening? Khayrli kech or khayrli aksham. What do you say during the day? Khayrli kun. What do you say if you need to greet someone formally? Assalamu alaikum, right? And informal version, salam. Okay, let's move on. So now let's talk about leave takings. We talked about greetings and now let's talk about leave takings. So we also already talked about khayr, which means bye, right? Salam, khayr, salam, khayr. The next one is also comes with the word khayr or khayrli. Khayrli tun. Tun is night. Khayrli tun. Khayrli tun. Good night. The next phrases are longer and they are not connected with the word khayr or khayrli. So, yaxshi dam oling. Yaxshi dam oling means enjoy your time. or have a good rest. Yaxshi dam oling. Yaxshi means good. Dam oling means take rest. Let's read it together. Yaxshi dam oling. Yaxshi dam oling. The next phrase is very popular also, and you can hear it in metro. Sog bo'ling. Salomat bo'ling. Sog, salomat means be healthy, health. Sog bo'ling, salomat bo'ling, or sog salomat bo'ling. When you take metro in Tashkent and you ride till the next stop, the female voice in metro will say, Khayr, sog salomat bo'ling. And many people, if they even don't know Uzbek, they know this phrase because they hear it all the time in metro. Khayr, sog salomat bo'ling. Or just salomat bo'ling. Or sog bo'ling. So either way, it works. The next phrase is very popular because in Uzbekistan, we like being friends with families. We have lots of relatives. We have lots of friends. So when we meet someone, we always say hi to your mom, to your dad, to your wife, to your dad, to your husband. So salom ayting. Salom ayting means say hi. Next phrase, kuningiz xayrli bo'lsin. Kuningiz xayrli bo'lsin. And you can read it shorter. Kunis. Kunis. This is how they say it in Tashkent. Kunis xayrli bo'lsin. Enjoy your day. Kunis xayrli bo'lsin. Okay, so far, how many leave takings did we learn? Khayr. Khayr. Khayrli tun is something we say when we go to sleep. Khayrli tun. Khayrli tun. Yaxshi dam oling. Have a good rest. Enjoy your time. Sog salomat bo'ling. Take care. Salom ayting. Say hi. Kuningiz xayrli bo'lsin. Enjoy your day. Have a good day. Okay, let's look back to greetings. Assalomu alaikum, salom, xayrli tong, xayrli kun, xayrli kech, or xayrli oqshom. And leave takings, xayr, xayrli tun, yaxshi dam oling, sog' salomat bo'ling, salom ayting, kuningiz xayrli bo'lsin. Let me know in comments below. Please, let me know in comments below which phrases were really helpful and which phrases you already knew. And don't forget to press the like button. I really will be looking forward to it. Okay, guys. Khayr. Sog' salomat bo'ling. Khayr.